Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coin Zone and welcome to the channel. We are today looking at the first of the 25-cent women's US quarters from 2023. The lady who's been honoured is Bessie Coleman. She's born on the 26th of January 1892 and died on the 30th of April 1926. She was an aviator from early in aviation history, and she was the first Native American to hold a pilot's license as a qualified international pilot, and she did that on the 15th of the 6th, 1921. She studied for a term at Langford University. She obtained flight training operation sponsorship in Chicago and then went to France flight school. She was the 10th of 13 children from a mixed African American and Cherokee grandparents. In 1921 she was the first Native American to hold the international license. 2 months following that she flew out of Paris, France, and she spent time in 1922 flying air shows for World War I veterans and also the charities that were looking after the World War I veterans. This included the 369th and 370th Infantry Regiments. On the 22nd of February 1923 she broke a leg and 3 ribs when a plane stalled and she crashed. In 2013 a street was renamed Bessie Coleman in Panamanic District of Florida. Her death came on the 30th of April 1926. Coleman was taking a flight out to Jacksonville, Florida in a Curtiss Jacks for Jenny from Dallas, and this plane that she just bought had 3 forced landings before it got from Dallas to Florida. This aircraft had had 3 forced landings before Coleman took possession. Was it poorly maintained? Nobody knows. It's a bit difficult now. I don't think at that time they had like the air accident investigation people, so it's difficult to know. Coleman wanted to see a parachute jump area that she was to use the following day. 10 minutes into the flight, the plane stalled and went into a dive and then a spin at 3,000 feet. Bessie Coleman was thrown clear of the plane at around about 2,000 feet or 610 metres. She died when she hit the ground. So she was alive during the 2,000 feet fall and she died as a consequence of hitting the ground. Mr. Wills was a pilot and couldn't regain control of the plane, and he died on impact with the ground. The plane burst into flames on impact. There were tens of thousands of mourners attended the ceremonies in Chicago, led by Ida B. Wells for Bessie Coleman at just after her death. So we have the coins here. I have both the Philadelphia and the Denver mints. Bessie Coleman is here on the left of the coin. There is a biplane up in this top right hand corner. And underneath it shows her there. I don't know if I can get any closer in. Let's just see if I can. Let's take it down a little bit more. There we go. It shows Bessie Coleman and saluting, whether she was saluting the World War I heroes that she did a lot of flying displays for. We have a biplane up in this top corner here, this top right hand corner. I'm unsure what's below that. I can't quite make it out. Beautiful coin, and a lady who well deserves the recognition of this quarter. It was a shame in the way that she died. However, the early heir years were festooned with accidents that killed people, unfortunately. How much extra work she would have been able to do for her own people, who knows? Oh, excuse me. Would she have become a more internationally recognised pilot and gone on to do other things like long distance records and all the rest of it? I don't know. We will never know. Bessie Coleman, of all of the ones that I've seen, she certainly deserves the recognition that she's been given by this quarter. I'm looking forward to the other in this series and doing the research on the ladies concerned. I have enjoyed the series last year and I've enjoyed it this year. I haven't really got a favourite coin from the 6 that have been released so far over the 2 years. However, we digress a little bit. If you... Let me just get that go out a bit. Oh, excuse me. I have had snuffles today. So we have the Bessie Coleman coins here. For those of you having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, wherever you're buying them from, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something in those 4 videos that you enjoy watching. I am, as always, trying to increase my subscription level. I've set myself a target of 200 to 250 by Christmas this year. 200 is the minimum, my target is 250. However, I will need people like your good selves who may not have yet joined or subscribed to subscribe to the channel, and possibly, if you've enjoyed this video, give me the thumbs up. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, thank you for watching and staying, and until we meet up again, from me, bye bye. Ta-da now.